These feet tell a story. One of hardship and courage, of survival and of secrets shared. They belong to a lone bull in what might be the toughest place on Earth to be an elephant. Namibia's Namib Desert. Climate change has made the extreme conditions even worse. The dry seasons are drier. Punctuated by ever more unpredictable rainstorms. Only 150 desert elephants remain. But they are resilient, with a deep knowledge of their world, passed down through generations. Desert elephants are as tough as the landscape.